In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can streamline your business finances. If you run a business and your month end normally means chasing receipts, exporting spreadsheets, and guessing at spending until the very last day, you're not alone. As teams grow and payments span more tools and currencies, manual processes slow everything down and hide the true state of your cash. Streamlining starts with accurate expense accounts and extends to how you capture, approve, and reconcile every transaction. With the right setup, you can get real-time visibility, fewer errors, and more time to focus on growth. Here is a practical way to simplify that flow. First, I want to go over what an expense account is. Expense accounts record day-to-day operating costs within a set period and feed your profit and loss. At the end of a set period, balances are transferred to other accounts so you start fresh. As for why you need expense accounts, reliable expense accounts support accurate reports and burn tracking. They help you understand performance and make informed decisions, and make tax prep easier with organized deductible records. Now, when it comes to opening an expense account, there are a few types. First of all, we've got the cost of goods sold, as these cover the inputs tied to producing your goods or services such as materials, direct labor, storage, machinery, and freight. We also have operating expenses, as these cover running costs not tied to production such as rent and utilities, marketing, insurance, office payroll, certain taxes like property taxes, maintenance, supplies, legal, and accounting. And lastly, we have the other expenses that include non-operating items such as loan interest, taxes, or one-off losses. As you may already know, manual processes waste a lot of time, weak cost controls allow out-of-policy spend, limited visibility delays action, and disconnected tools create a fragmented financial picture. So if you want to manage your expense accounts, you want to choose a digital expense platform where you can track spend in real time, customize categories, and manage on mobile rather than spreadsheets. You also want to digitalize the documents wherever you can, as you can use receipt scanning to capture and store details automatically. Start using corporate cards, as you can issue cards to control where and how teams spend and see transactions as they happen. Automate reconciliation, as you can connect bank feeds and use reconciliation tools to match expenses with statements quickly and accurately. You also want to integrate your systems by picking a software that connects with payroll, invoicing, CRM, tax, and accounting to create a connected financial workflow. Here is why teams streamline with Airwallex. As Airwallex's expense management gives you the power to manage and track all your business expenses from one centralized location. You gain real-time visibility of your spend across different markets in multi-currencies with a complete view of your team expenses in one place. It also lets you seamlessly issue a virtual or physical corporate card to control and track spend in real time. Powerful automation tools reduce human error, letting employees upload their expense receipts to the platform, with scanning technology and then automatically extracting all the required details. No manual data entry needed. Reconciliation is also simplified, as you can enjoy seamless integration with your accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or NetSuite to streamline reconciliation, as well as letting employees upload their reimbursement receipts for quick and easy payouts. Streamlining is about one connected system that captures spend at the source, enforces policy before money leaves, and keeps your numbers current. Move to digital expense management, centralize cards and bills, and integrate your tools so finance gets real-time control and the business keeps moving. If you want to see how easy it can be, go ahead and check out Airwallex and take control of your global business finances today. You can get started completely for free by using the link in the description down below and getting your account signed up with the Explore plan. There are other plan options which you can choose as your business scales. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment down below, and if you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch, then give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.